Meaning of heed.
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 Heed. Heed is a contraction of he had or he would. The meaning of heed can vary depending on the context in which it is used. When heed is used with had, it indicates that something has already happened in the past. For example, he'd gone to the store means that he had already gone to the store. On the other hand, when heed is used with would, it indicates a hypothetical or conditional situation. For example, he'd go to the store if he had time means that he would go to the store if he had enough time.